Welcome to our step-by-step troubleshooting guide on fixing Windows 11 Update installation failures, specifically for Update KB5074105. We'll walk you through restarting your PC, running the troubleshooter, clearing the update cache, and manual installation. Our structured troubleshooting guide progresses from simple tweaks to advanced solutions. Start with basic Windows updates, restart key services, run system scans, use the Microsoft Update catalog, perform an in-place reinstall, and finally, use the media creation tool. The simplest first step is to reset the update process by pausing and resuming updates. This can clear temporary glitches preventing installation. Navigate to Windows Settings, click Pause Updates, then Resume Updates, and check if the update proceeds. Restarting essential services is crucial for Windows updates. Open the Services application and set App Readiness, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and Windows Update to Automatic. Apply changes and restart each service to ensure smooth operation. Running system file scans can identify and fix underlying issues. Open Command Prompt as Administrator, search CMD, right-click to select Run as Administrator, and confirm. This prepares your system for executing necessary commands. Execute these commands in the Administrator Command Prompt, SFC Scan, Health Check, and Restore Health. After completing all three scans, restart your system to apply the fixes and ensure stability. If automatic updates fail, download and install manually from the Microsoft Update catalog. Find your Windows version, search for KB5074105, and download the matching file. This ensures you have the correct update for your system. Performing an in-place reinstall can fix deep-seated issues without affecting files, apps, or settings. Go to Windows Update's Advanced Options, select Recovery, and choose Reinstall Now to resolve persistent problems. As a final resort, use the Media Creation tool for an in-place upgrade. Download the tool, create an ISO file, and run the setup from your desktop. This powerful repair method can resolve complex installation issues. During setup, ensure the option to keep personal files and apps is selected to avoid data loss. This step is crucial for maintaining your data integrity while performing updates or repairs. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation error for Update KB5074105. Start with simple solutions and proceed to more complex ones if the issue persists. Remember, patience is key in troubleshooting.